Oh, hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia Styles. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade sugar wax. Yes, so we are going to need lemons, we are going to need sugar, we are also going to need water. So after washing my lemons, I'm squeezing out the lemon juice. Yes. And on this channel, we do beauty maintenance videos, shower routines, skincare routines, DIY beauty, hair, skincare remedies using natural ingredients. So subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. So we are going to be using 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a half a cup of lemon juice. If you don't have lemons, you can use apple cider vinegar. Yes. So stir very well and simmer on low heat. The reason we use lemon juice in this mixture is to keep the sugar soft, and it also acts as a preservative. So you can also use lime, orange vinegar, yeah, but lemon juice is the standard. If you decide to go for vinegar, use half like the amount, like 2 tablespoons, since it will be more acidic than the lemon juice. So yes, lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, they are going to help break down the sugar. So if you notice, if you don't add enough lemon juice, you're going to get candy. It is going to be as hard as a rock all candy. So yes, when you see it going up like that, reduce on the heat. Yes, so we are also going to need ice cold water. Yes, we use it to test to see if our sugar is ready. So when it comes something like that, that is how you know it is ready. And when you pour it into your ice cold water, you can see it's like almost solidifies immediately, but it is not like too hard as a rock or as candy. Yeah, so when you see something like that, when you add in your ice cold water, that is when you know it is ready. So I'm transferring into a glass jar. So I'm going to let it cool. We don't want to use this when it is still hot, because you know, we don't want to get burnt. So that is how it looks, and this is how I use the sugar wax. So this is how the consistency looks when it has completely dried. I'm going to be using exercise book papers. Yes, if you don't have the waxing stripes, the waxing papers, you can use exercise book papers, and also some powder. You can use any baby powder or powder that you have. We don't need any oils or any sweat. Yes, so I'm applying, maybe I applied a little bit too much, but just apply a little bit of the sugar wax. So after then you apply your waxing strips or the piece of paper that I'm going to be using, and then just pull it off. Waxing is painful, especially for those who are new to it or have sensitive skin. Yes, so I have managed to get it all out in one, you know. Yeah, and look how clean my armpit looks. Yes, I used to have dark armpits, dark to the point where I could not wear armless or half shoulder clothes or raise up my hands in church to praise, you know. That is how bad it was. Yeah, but with waxing and using aluminium free deodorants, yeah, I'm gaining my confidence. Yes. And the pain level varies depending on individual pain tolerance. So the area being waxed and the technique used, like general areas with more hair follicles and sensitive skin like the bikini line or underarms tend to be more painful. So let's clean that up, and I'm going to be using my my Palmer's cocoa butter just to moisturize the area. It also has some lightening elements, so it adds up to lightening my armpits. Benefits of waxing are reduces odor, reduced dark shadow under the arms, the armpits, less irritation, cheaper cost, smoother underarm, finer hair regrowth, lasting smoothness, all year round. Boost in confidence, heavy on the confidence. So look how cute, look how smooth, how clean. If you haven't considered waxing, please add that to your bucket list. Let me know if you like this video in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Love you.